Around 30 days are remaining for UPSC Mains 2026, and what you revise in the next 30 days, how you revise in the next 30 days is going to differentiate between an average performance and a top rank performance. Guys, I have cracked the mains examination 4 times, and I can tell you last 30 days are very crucial. If you are able to revise expected questions, do some value addition on them, you will have edge over maximum number of aspirants. Guys, today I am before you with expected questions from General Studies Paper 1 Geography section. Guys, if you revise these questions, if you do some value addition on these questions with maps, facts, you will have edge on the exam day. These expected questions I have from the last 1 years of current affairs and the PYQ analysis. Let's start. Guys, my name is Santosh Pandey, and you can see I have the experience of cracking the mains examination 4 times. UPSC mains examination I have cracked 4 times. Also guys, I have cracked my state services examination, and I was allotted the state administrative service, the deputy collector rank. So I have vast experience in this examination. Let's start guys. So what I have done is that section wise I have prepared the list of expected questions, and where you can prepare these questions, that also I have. Okay, so guys, you can see from the first part of the geography syllabus, which is geographical phenomena, earthquakes, tsunamis, volcanoes, cyclones, etc., etc. This year El Nino is very important guys. Very high chances you will have a question on El Nino. Guys, 2026 is a super El Nino year. Is a super El Nino year. Okay, so you can get a basic question of El Nino. What is El Nino? Okay, explain the phenomena of El Nino. And they can ask you what is the impact of El Nino on world climate and India climate, and how Indian Ocean Dipole is related to El Nino. Okay, because these two phenomena, El Nino and Indian Ocean Dipole, is in news in the last 1 year. Very high chances you will get a question on El Nino, and this is a PYQ topic also. This is a PYQ topic also. Or if they do not ask you basics of El Nino, they can ask you why El Nino is an economic development, okay, threat for India. Why El Nino is an economic development threat for India. Guys, you can see this question I have discussed in my daily answer writing class 5th of June 2026. So keep noting these dates. You can go and revise these questions from my lectures which I have conducted in my daily answer writing practice. Okay, so you can see 5th of June 2026, you can prepare this. This is the first theme, first topic which is expected in 2026 mains examination, General Studies Paper 1, El Nino, the basics of El Nino. What is El Nino? How does it occur? What is the impact of El Nino on world climate and India climate? Or they can ask you about the impact of El Nino on India, economic impact like agriculture impact, okay, hydropower impact, okay, economic growth impact, okay, health impact. You can see here the headline. It will impact what? Hydropower. El Nino will dent India's wind and hydropower. You can see here. Okay, this is the first theme. Okay, next one is the, you can see here, next one is what? Western disturbance. Guys, another geographical phenomena which is in news this year is western disturbance. This year guys, okay, some changes have happened in western disturbance. Okay, some of the changes are happening in western disturbance which is impacting our climate. Okay, so what is western disturbance? How does it impact India's climate? You can see 16th of June 2026. Just last month I have discussed this question in my daily answer writing class. Next question guys, glacial lake. Okay, what are glacial lakes? How do they occur? And what is glacial lake outburst floods? Okay, you know guys, because of climate change, the Himalayan glaciers are melting. You know, compared to the plains, Himalayan region is getting heated twice as fast, and because of heating of Himalayan region guys, glacial lakes are being formed, and these glacial lakes are changing into what? Glacial lake outburst flood. Okay, because of, okay, water melting, ice melting into water. So this is also very important guys. You can expect a question on that. I have discussed this on 20 June 2026. on 20 June 2026. Okay, so I'm giving you dates also. You can go to these dates and you can prepare these questions. I have already discussed these questions in detail with diagrams, with facts I have done. Okay, next guys is, you can see why Indian cities are getting polluted even in summer. Guys, if you see pollution in India, if you see here, okay, generally if you see, okay, pollution in Delhi, particularly Delhi, okay, Delhi pollution, air pollution, okay, is basically related to winter season, okay. But this year there was a study done that even in the summer in Delhi we are seeing what? Pollution. Why? So this pollution is what? Ozone pollution. Ozone pollution. Summer pollution is what? Ozone pollution and particulate matter pollution. Okay, ozone pollution. So what is this ozone pollution? You need to prepare. This is really very important. Also they may ask you why it is that the northern plain, including Delhi, okay, they are getting more polluted compared to the southern cities or the peninsular cities. Why? Because these are what? Located on the coastal region. And here what we have? Continental effect. So pollution can again be a very important theme in this year's prelims examination. You can see 2nd of June 2026 I have discussed. I'm giving you the dates also where I have discussed this. Okay. Next expected question is the river linking project from natural resource topic, guys. Water resource. In water resource they can ask you about the river linking project because Ken Betwa project is in news. There was a protest happening on the Ken Betwa project, and even in Bihar a water linking project was, okay, in news. Okay, the Kosi Mechi, okay, river linking project. So river linking project can be one question which can come. In river linking project you have to prepare, okay, the rationale of river linking project and pros and cons. What are the pros and cons? What are the challenges of the river linking project? You can see I have discussed on 21st of July 2026. Just recently only I have discussed in my answer writing class. So if you are attending my answer writing class, guys, you can see all expected questions I have discussed multiple number of times. Okay. Next question which is expected is on Aravalis. Okay, very important. One of the most important topic is Aravalis this time. What is the role played by Aravali in India's geography? What is the role in India's climate? Okay, so you can see this question. Discuss the geographical, ecological and cultural significance of Aravali's mountain. Geographical significance. What is the geographical significance, guys? Okay, related to monsoon, related to desertification, and then ecological significance related to groundwater. Then cultural significance, Aravalis, guys, because of the sacred groves. Okay, culture. Why Aravalis are important? You can see 2nd December 2025, 18th September 2025. I have discussed this question multiple times. After Aravalis, guys, you can see Western Ghats. Another question which you can expect in this year because of the death of, okay, Madhav Gadgil, who was a very important personality. Okay, so he passed away. He was the authority on Western Ghats. So very, very important. You can expect question on Western Ghats also. What is the significance of Western Ghats? What is the significance of Western Ghats? Again, a very important question which can come in this year's prelims examination. Okay. So guys, before we move on, okay, there are 10 more questions. Before we move on, guys, this is the answer writing class which I am doing. Okay, 400 days answer writing class. In every answer writing class, I am discussing 5 answers. So in 400 days, I will discuss 2000 questions with you. So 1 year current affairs with static linkage you can prepare in these sessions. Okay, attend these sessions, guys, DPS sessions. This is very, very important sessions. All these dates which I am giving you, okay, these are the dates, okay, DPS sessions which I have conducted. Okay, so before, let's move on to the next topic, guys, natural resources. In natural resources this year, guys, they may ask you about nuclear resources. Okay, nuclear resources, uranium. Where do we find uranium in the world? Okay, recently, you know, guys, India has signed a deal with Australia. Do we have uranium in India? Yes, Jaduguda mines, Jharkhand, Tumbapalle in Andhra. Then in Meghalaya, there was an issue in Meghalaya also. Okay, or you can ask question on, they can ask thorium resources. Guys, India has the largest thorium deposits, monazite sand. They can ask you about this also. So you can see I have discussed this 14th of July 2026. You can see all these questions I have discussed recently in my answer writing classes. These are my answer writing classes which I conduct daily. This is one of the best initiatives, guys, as far as daily answer writing is concerned. Okay. Next, guys, you can see you may get a question this year on deep sea mining. Deep sea mining. There was in news of deep sea mining. Even in the prelims, there was a question on this prelims. Okay. So you can expect a question, deep ocean. Okay. So what is deep sea mining? What are the issues connected to deep sea mining? 16th of September 2025. Very important. Here they'll ask you question about the concerns. What are the concerns of deep sea mining? What are the concerns of deep sea mining? For example, ecological concern. Ecological concern. Okay. Very important ecological concern. It can lead to biodiversity loss. Okay. Next, guys, they may ask you question on fisheries this year. Because of Trump, because of Donald Trump, okay, tariffs, aquaculture was impacted, fishery was impacted. Also, guys, you know, India this year, okay, has accepted the WTO fisheries agreement. This makes this topic very, very important. So what are the issues related to marine fishing in India and aquaculture? You can add here aquaculture also, they can ask you. Okay. So fishery sector, blue economy can be one expected theme. I have discussed this on 6th of July 2026. So dates, I am mentioning the dates also so that you can simply go watch these lectures, make some value addition notes from them. Okay. Guys, this is really very, very important. In the next 30 days, you don't have time to read everything. Just focus on these topics. These topics I have prepared using the PYQ analysis and the current affairs analysis. You can see all I have given you the context. Next, guys, from natural resources, rare earth elements and critical minerals. You can see two themes which is very important: rare earth elements and critical minerals. Guys, for the last 2 years, in prelims examination, you are getting question on rare earth elements and critical minerals. You can see two questions expected. Okay, geographical account of rare earth in India and the world. Explain the scheme of promoting manufacturing of rare earth permanent magnet. 13th of September 2025. I have discussed this. Then why critical minerals are important. Discuss the distribution in the world. Mention the salient features of India's national mission on critical mineral. 3rd of September 2025. You can see here. These two questions last year September month I have discussed. Okay, both, you know, guys, government of India has come out with a scheme or policy for both of them. Okay, this makes rare earth element and critical minerals both important. So first what you have to do, you have to prepare the geographical distribution, of rare earth and geographical distribution of the critical minerals. Guys, both of them, guys, China is dominating. Okay, critical minerals like lithium, okay, the South American countries, ABC countries, lithium triangle, then African countries. Okay, here you will get. Okay, so this is again very important. Here you have to draw map, world map, then only you will get marks. Okay, again these two questions are really very, very important, guys. Next, you can see here Great Nicobar project, the most controversial topic this year. What is the significance of Great Nicobar project, guys? You can see here 25th of October 2025. I have discussed in detail. What are the economic implications? What are the ecological implications? Why we are developing this Great Nicobar project? Okay, geographical dimension. Okay, because it is close to what? It is close to what? Strait of Malacca. Strait of Malacca. So from the point of Indian Ocean also, Chinese presence in Indian Ocean, we are developing this Great Nicobar project. You know, we have developed this Galathea Bay. Okay, major port. Port can also be a theme this year. Major port, Galathea Bay. Again, a very important, 25th of October 2025. Okay, next question, guys, coffee. In geography, guys, coffee. You know, Prime Minister this year, okay, has spoken about coffee exports. You know, guys, for the first time, coffee exports in India have crossed, okay, a substantial mark. Okay, so coffee, geographical regions where coffee is grown in India. What are the issues in coffee farming? 27th of October 2025. Geographical regions, guys, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, major states of coffee producing. Okay, then what are the issues faced by coffee plantation. Okay, plantation agriculture, 27th of October 2025. Okay, so guys, this is my mentorship for 2027. People who are preparing for 2027. Okay, you can see here daily I'm discussing 5 questions, expected questions. All these are discussed in my classes, DPS classes. You can given dates also. So even next year, if you're preparing for next year, you will get expected questions for next year. Okay, you can see here daily 5 questions I'm discussing. I'm giving you concept sessions which is pre-recorded. This is live answer writing session. Then I'm giving you mains master notes which you can download. I'm giving you mains master cards, and also I'm giving you some answer writing templates. So this is a very important program, guys. You can call this number if you want to prepare under my guidance for 2027. Like this, you see all expected questions I've discussed in last 1 year in my answer writing classes. Okay, so you can have a look at it if you are interested in this. Next question, guys. Okay, you can see transhumance and pastoralism. Guys, this year, we have International Year of Rangeland. This year we have what? International Year of Rangeland. This makes this topic pastoralism and transhumance very important. Transhumance, guys, it is a phenomena which is practiced in the Himalayan regions in India, okay, by the tribes, okay, by the tribes, okay, the Gaddi tribes, the Bakarwals, okay, the Bhotiyas, okay, and pastoralism. What are the distribution of pastoralism in India? You can prepare a map of India and you can show where are pastoral communities located in India, in the Himalayan regions, in the Thar desert, then even in the Maharashtra, okay, in the semi-arid region of the peninsula, then in the northeast, okay, and then what are the issues, what are the challenges faced by pastoralism? Like the common resource area is declining, climate change is a threat, okay, legal threat are there, okay. So this is again a very important question which is expected. Next, guys, from human geography this year, fertility, declining fertility, guys. India has fallen below the replacement level of fertility of 2.1. okay, we have reached 1.9 fertility. Okay, again very important. You can see, examine the implications of India's total fertility rate dropping to 1.9. Then, guys, you can see here the divide, the north-south divide. You can see demographic dividend divide. They can ask you demographic dividend divide between north and south. Guys, South India, if you see, let me just draw the map. Okay, let me just draw the map. So, okay, suppose this is, okay, this is North India. This is North India. Okay, North India. This is South India. Okay, South India. South India, guys, fertility has already declined to 1.2, 1.3. Kerala, Tamil Nadu. North India still they are above 2.4, 2.5. Bihar is 2.8. Okay, so here we have what? Young population. And here we have what? Aging population. But here we have less economic growth. Here we have more economic growth. So migration also happens from north to south. If you are from the South India, you will see a lot of migrant workers coming from the North India to work in South India. Why? Because of the population and fertility is very high in the North India compared to South India. So this question can also come. Okay, so aging. Okay, aging in South India. What are the challenges? Aging in South India. Guys, recently some of the chief ministers said what? To produce more babies in the South India. Why? Because their fertility rates are declining. They will face problem, fiscal strain, labor shortage. Okay, so this can be a very expected question, guys. Okay, which is human geography. Human geography. Also, guys, see, because this year we have so much protest by youth. Okay, so demographic dividend. Demographic dividend can be again a very important theme. I'm not included here, but I think demographic dividend can also be a very important theme this year. So human geography, one question expected on human geography, whether it is fertility, whether it is north-south divide, whether it is aging, or whether it is demographic dividend. 4 questions, 4 themes you need to prepare on this topic. All of them I have discussed in my answer writing class. Okay. Next, guys, cotton. This year one crop which can come in mains examination this year is cotton, because India has launched cotton productivity mission. Very important. Where in India cotton is grown? Why cotton productivity is low in India? 8th of June 2026. Then analyze the factors for decentralized cotton industry. 20 Jan 2026. Guys, cotton industry. They may also ask you not just cotton cultivation. They can ask you cotton industry. Cotton textile industry. Why it is decentralized in India? Why it is What are the locational factors? What are the locational factors of cotton industry in India, guys? Is it raw material oriented? Is it market oriented? Okay, so it is very well explained in my class, 20 Jan 2026. Okay, you can attend this session. Okay, guys, if you are going for mains 2026 and if you need my help, do connect with me. All these important questions I've already discussed with you in my answer writing sessions. Okay, I can help you. Okay, next question, guys, is the electronics industry. This year, guys, you know, we have become the second largest smartphone exporter in the world. Imagine, second largest. So electronics exports are becoming a very major export from India. So electronics industry, what are the locational factors of electronic industry? Discuss Tamil Nadu. How Tamil Nadu has emerged as a leader in electronics export. They can also ask you a question on GCC, Global Capability Centers. This also I have discussed. GCC, locational factors. Why GCC is located in Bangalore? Why GCC is located in Pune? Why GCC is located in Noida? Okay, they can ask why GCC. GCC locational factors. Locational factors. This is also very important. Locational factors. You can see locational factors of industry. Next, guys. Okay, discuss the distribution of industrial regions in India. Where are industrial regions in India? Okay, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau. Then we have in Tamil Nadu, okay, in another industrial belt. So where are the industrial belts located in India? And a similar question related to this is industrial corridors. Okay, one question we have is, okay, industrial corridors. Okay, this industrial corridors. This can also come in general studies paper 3 economy section in infrastructure, industrial corridors. Okay, I have discussed this in detail. So in economic expected question, there I will tell you which day I have discussed, but I have discussed this also, industrial corridor also and industrial regions also. You can see the date I have mentioned. The last question which expected this year is the choke points, maritime choke points. You can see Bab el Mandeb, okay, Houthis, okay, Strait of Hormuz. Okay, what are maritime choke points? Discuss their significance with examples. You can see I have discussed on 23 of June 2025 and 23 of July 2025. 2 days I have discussed. So you can see most of the expected questions I have discussed in my answer writing classes. Guys, my answer writing classes, as I told you, okay, these are my answer writing classes, DPS. You can see 2000 questions I can discuss with you in the entire year. This is a unique program, guys. Every day 5 questions I am discussing. Okay, just have a word with me if you want this classes. Just have a word with me. Entire mains current affairs can be prepared using these classes. You can attend the trial also. And people who are going for 2026, if you have a word with me, you can call me. Okay, I have discussed all these expected questions in my course. Okay, so this is my 2027 course. I have answer writing class, I have concept sessions, I have mains master notes, which is detailed notes on each and every topic of the GS-1, 2, 3, 4 syllabus. Then we have mains master cards, a crux notes for revision, and then we have answer writing templates for your improvement in answer writing. Guys, if you like this session, please do share with all the 2026 mains appearing students. This can save them. This can increase their marks. This can make them to top the examination. And if you are in 2027 preparation, connect with me if you want my answer writing class. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Take care.